Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to my online chess lecture. In this video, I will show you a game between Aron Nimzowitsch and Verner Nielsen. This amazing chess game was played in Copenhagen in 1930. The legend Aron Nimzowitsch had white pieces and he started with e4. Verner Nielsen played c6, d4, d5, the Caro-Kann defense, knight to c3, d takes on e4, knight takes on e4, knight to d7 intending knight to f6, knight to f3, knight from g to f6, white to move, not exchanging knights, this only helps black, knight to g3, e6, bishop to d3, c5 attacking white center, Nimzowitsch castle at kingside, bishop to e7, c3, and Nielsen castle at kingside too, rook to e1, b6, h3, bishop to b7, bishop to f4, black to move. Bishop takes on f3 was played. Perhaps c takes on d4, knight to d5, or rook to c8 should have been considered. Bishop takes knight on f3, not the strongest move. Queen takes on f3, c takes on d4, c takes on d4. Black succeeded in creating an isolated queen's pawn, but how to benefit from this? Knight to d5 was played, threatening. Knight takes bishop on f4. Nimzowitsch played bishop to e4, pinning the knight. Knight from 7 to f6. Bishop to e5. Knight takes on e4. Knight takes on e4. Black to move. Knight to f6 was played. Perhaps bringing more pieces in the game would not hurt black's position. Knight to f6, intending to exchange knights. Rook from a to c1. Knight takes on e4, rook takes on e4. Queen to d5, attacking the pawn on a2. How to defend the pawn? Nimzowitsch was well known for his overprotection strategies. But in this case, he ignored the pawn, creating even a stronger threat. Rook to c7, attacking the bishop. Bishop to d6, attacking the rook. What is the best move for white in this position? What would you do? Nimzowitsch played rook to d7, pinning the bishop on d6. Rook from a to d8. It is white to move. How would you continue? Nimzowitsch played rook takes on d6. Rook takes on d6. And we have reached the most amazing moment of the game. It is white to move. What would you do? Please pause and find the best move for white. Did you pause? What did you find? Did you find bishop takes on d6? If you did, no, congratulations. This is not the best move. What is the best move? White played a move and black resigned, and the move is this amazing queen move. Queen to f6. Nimzowitsch played this move and his opponent resigned. Why? Well, to avoid checkmate, of course. One line goes like this. h6, queen takes on g7, checkmate. Let's play a better line for black. How about pawn takes queen? Maybe that's a better line. G takes on f6. Then rook to g4, check. And after king to h8, bishop takes on f6, check. Mate. What a beauty. And what a move. What do you think of this game? And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.